Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about range-based multiplication. In this video, we will see how to add product with range base with multiplication, how to add additional option price with multiplication, or without multiplication to quantity, and how to restrict customers to order in a specific quantity range. So, first of all, when you need to apply range base with multiplication, some identification needs to be done. So, for that we will discuss one of the real-time product. So one of our clients has shared this product, named as small banner, the size label is this, one safe margin and cut margin is given. And he has given us the quantities. Let's say from 1 to 5 quantity, the price will be on $136.1 for each quantity, and for the next level, which is 6 to 10, the price will be $133 for each one. So as the quantity will increase, price for each quantity will decrease. So, if you are having a pricing structure of any product in this way, in that situation you need to opt for range base with multiplication. There are also some additional options, where the customer is select base. So, these are the extra charge $34 for the entire range, from 1 to 50 quantity. It won't depend on if a customer selects cross base, or U shape, they have to just pay $34 or $25, and it won't get multiply with quantity. On the other hand, if customer is choosing wall brackets, then it's per unit cost. So, if the customer is choosing a 0 degrees wall bracket, in that case, how many quantities is selecting, that need to be multiplied with this $3 amount, or with $5 depending on the situation. So we have already configured this product, and let me show you how you can easily configure this kind of product in OnPrintShop. So here we have already configured this product, where we have opted size 700 by 2000 mm, then quantity is 1, then select base. So let's say, I have already shown you the U shape, or the customer selecting cross base, and water bag. So it just adding, hence it won't depend on quantity. So let's see if I can put the quantity 2. So $173 will not get multiplied by 2. It only will be depending on the situation. So that $35 is not going to, so it's not multiplication. So let's see how can we configure an admin. Just go to the products. Here we have already created this product. Let me just quickly explain to you. So first of all you need to click on Add button, and you will be on this page. So we have just added the product name, under the product. Product internal title. If you just want to put some internal name, that won't be visible anywhere in the front end. Then product type. It will be standard only. URL, which can be seen over here, small banners and then search keywords, it will be useful HTML tags, and so this is used for the search, for the complete HTML. Then default category. Associated category is like, if you want to put product other than the banners, like you want to show in multiple categories. Then you can opt for associated categories. Then here you need to opt for range base with multiplication. So how can you identify? I have already shown you with real-time product, then we have one interesting thing in this one, that is linear formula. And here we have given calculation of linear formula. Wherever required you can apply the linear formulas. And then sheet calculation, which you can skip for now. Then sorting order and status will be activated. Then there are small images, large images, and all the description you can put it over here. Then there are action buttons you can opt for browse design, upload design and custom design depending on your requirement. Then next is, for which user you are assigning the product. For default store, or the private store, or any specialty store. And type of color palette you can select from here. If you want to display this product on home page, you can opt for this. If you want free shipping for this product, please activate this button. It's not a promotional, and production days you can enter here. Then we just click on Save and Continue button. You will be into the designer option, where we have just defined a size. We have put width and height including bleed size, and then pages front page. Then in the pricing structure, we have just added the basic piece over here. Quantity 1 to quantity 5, we have just added 136.1 which you can see here. So we have added quantities, and we have just added the price. That's all that we had. We have just added the additional options. So there are two things, like in one additional option we are not multiplying the price with quantity, and the other additional option we are multiplying the price with quantity. So in this additional option, we have just added the select base the title. Then we have opted drop-down option, and we have just put attributes, like U-shape card base, and cross base, and water bed, and here we have given one button that is named as price multiply by quantity. So we have disabled it. So whenever a customer will choose in the pricing option, there will be only a single price $25, it will not get multiplication with the quantity, and at the same time in another additional option which is a wall bracket, we have opted for price multiply by quantity. So it will get multiplied each time, whenever the quantity will get updated. Apart from this, let's say we have given the pricing structure in this price section, from 1 to 50. So if you want, like customer cannot add greater than 50 quantities, then we have given one more option under the settings section. So here is one button given restrict customer to order quantity. You just need to activate it, and click on save. So if the customer enters a quantity of more than 50, they will not be able to place the order. So here it's showing a minimum of 1, and a maximum of 50. If a customer tries to enter 55 quantities, the system will not accept quantity. So in that way, you can easily add a range base with multiplication kind of product. If you have any queries and concerns, please connect with us at support@onprintshop.com. Thank you.